Listen and practice. There is saying, a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Good health and happiness go together. Games and sports keep a man healthy and happy. They make us smart and active. Playing games is a good useful pastime. They give freshness to mind and energy to work. Education teaches us how to live and behave properly in the society. Games and sports teach us how to become a useful member of the society. Games and sports are a necessary part of education. Games and sports develop many good habits in us. We have to follow the rules of the games. They develop the spirit of obedience and discipline. We begin to like fair play in our life also. Develops two moral qualities: honesty and justice. A sportsman treats victory and defeats alike. If a sportsman defeated in a game, he accepts the defeat without complaining. It develops in him the habit of accepting defeats happily in life. He does not become nervous at small things, but he tries to achieve success with great care and energy. It is called sportsman spirit. Whenever he is the leader of the team, this develops the art of leadership in his life. As a captain of the team, he must win the hearts of the members of the team. So this develops the spirit of love and politeness. Games give us the best education in the art of living.